What's that? I'm sorry?
I'm not quite giving you hell.
No, well, these lug nuts, it's I do this a lot, so I don't mind it. It's just that these lug nuts, they're not the best. So what happens is, I don't know if you could tell, but this is a little cover.
Yeah.
And underneath that is a regular lug nut. And what happens, this starts stripping away. So that's what makes it hard. So that's why when you were trying to get on there, you just kept trying to slip off. Yeah. But you know, it's just a bad design on the lug nuts. But they're all coming off now.